Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to AllasYummyFood and to my wonderful kitchen. I'm so excited to have you here today, and in today's lesson we're going to be making carrot cake protein balls, which are so good, and if you like carrot cake, these are for you. They're much healthier, they're easy to make, and yeah, you can keep them in a freezer, and whenever you fancy something sweet you can just pop to the freezer and just have one or two. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and now let's get started. Into a food processor, go ahead and add your soaked dates, then your coconut shreds, and then your oats. Then add almond powder or ground almonds, carrots, protein powder, vanilla extract, and pecan nuts. I'm going to be using also mixed spice because I really like the mixed spice, and cinnamon. This is completely optional. Then add your smooth peanut butter and mix everything together for a couple of seconds. The mixture will start to come together pretty quickly. And there you go, it should look just like this. The smell is amazing. I just love carrot cake, so I needed to make these carrot cake protein balls. So then go ahead, take your mixture out and divide the mixture evenly. You can just pinch the dough and then roll it up and down. And just roll in your hands to create these beautiful shapes. If you wanted to, you can eat them just like that, or for extra cinnamon taste, you can sprinkle some cinnamon on top. And if you love cinnamon, of course, enjoy them so much. I love these. They're so yummy, crunchy, nutty, and healthy, and perfect snack to go. They will keep well in a fridge for 1 week or 1 month in a freezer.